Today we're going to illustrate how we're going to be using the splicing units and how to splice two wires together. We're just going to show on one side. We're going to take it, put it into the stripper where it says number 12, and then we're going to pull, and as you can see, the wire is there. You pull on it so the strands are all away from the edges, and then you twist it around. Really good. Instead of all those hard wires and stuff, we have these clamps that we use now. And as you can see, you push it inside all the way, pull it out, and it's a nice tight connection. Easy peasy.